Morning children. How are you all?
Children, did you practice multiplication? We have learned multiplying with regrouping ones in our previous class. First, let us recall multiplication tables up to 7. Children, there are some numbers hidden in this sunflower garden. Children, you should remember all the multiplication tables in order to perform the multiplication correct. Look at the screen. Some numbers are here. Let us multiply these numbers. Here is the first one. Do you know this answer? 6 6 are? Yes, 36. Children, now we have found one number from this garden. You have to multiply these numbers and find out other numbers. You have to recall all the multiplication tables. Okay, let us start multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. Okay, let us multiply 358 by 2. First, let us arrange these numbers one below the other according to their place value. Children, then we need to put a multiplication symbol also. Okay, let us start. Multiply 8 ones by 2 ones. 8 twos are 16. We know ones place can have only one digit. Here, this 16 means 110 plus 6 ones. Okay, let us write this 6 in the ones place and carry over this 1 to the tens place. Then we multiply 510 by 2 ones. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus this carry over 1 equal to 11. Now 11 tens means 100 plus 110. Okay, now let us write this one in the tens place and carry over this one in the hundreds place. Okay, let us multiply 3 hundreds by 2 ones. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus this carry over 1 equal to 7. When we multiply 358 by 2, the answer is 760. Okay, let us try one more example. Multiply 532 by 8. First, let us arrange these numbers according to their place value and we need to put a multiplication symbol. Okay, let us start. Multiply 8 by 2. Here we need to recall the multiplication table of 8 or 2. 8 twos are 16. We already learned ones place can have only one digit. Okay, let us write the 6 in the ones place. Here this 1 is carry over. It goes to tens place. Then we need to multiply 8 by 3. Here we need to recall the multiplication table of 8 or 3. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus this carry over 1 equal to 25. Okay, let us write this 5 under the tens place and this 2 is carry over. It goes to the hundreds place. Then multiply 8 by 5. Here we need to recall the multiplication table of 5 or 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus this carry over 2 equal to 42. When we multiply 532 by 8, here is the answer 4256. Okay, let us move on to word problems. Here is the first one. A packet contains 265 chocolates. Find the number of chocolates in 4 packets. Okay, first let us see what we need to find. We need to read one sentence at a time. Now we get the first information. Number of chocolates in one packet, 265. Then we need to find number of chocolates in 4 packets. 265 into 4. Okay, let us multiply 265 by 4. Okay, let us start. 4 by 5. Here we need to recall the multiplication table of 4 or 5. 5 fours are 20. Let us write this 0 under the ones place. This 2 is carry over. It goes to tens place. Then 4 by 6. Here we need to recall the multiplication table of 4 or 6. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus this carry over 2 equal to 26. Okay, let us write this 6 under the tens place and this 2 is carry over. It goes to the hundreds place. Next, 4 by 2. Here 2 fours are 8. 8 plus this carry over 2 equal to 10. 160 chocolates are there. Okay, let us try one more example. The cost of a school bag is 254 rupees. What is the cost of 7 such bags? Okay, let us see what we need to find. Okay, let us see what are the informations are here. Okay, let us write the cost of one bag is 254. Then we need to find cost of 7 such bags. 254 into 7. Okay, let us multiply 254 by 7. First, we multiply 7 by 4. Here we need to recall 7 times table or 4 times table. 4 sevens are 28. Let us write this 8 in the ones place and this 2 is carry over. It goes to tens place. Let us move to the next. 7 by 5. Here let us recall 7 times table or 5 times table. 5 sevens are 35 plus this carry over 2 equal to 37. Let us write this 7 in the tens place and this 3 is carry over. It goes to the hundreds place. Then 7 by 2. Let us recall here 7 times table or 2 times table. 2 sevens are 14 plus this carry over 3 equal to 17. Here is the answer 1778. Let us move on to the next topic, multiplying by 10. First one, multiply 2 by 10. How can we multiply 2 by 10? Yes, it is very easy. About the 0 of this 10, we get 1. Now we need to multiply 1 by 2. We get 2. Total how many zeros are here? Only 1 0. Now put this 0 to the right of the number. Now we get the answer 20. Look here, to multiply a number by 10, simply put a 0 to the right of the number. Okay, let us multiply 6 by 10. Okay, first we need to multiply 6 by 1. Then what we want to do? Yes, we need to put a 0 to the right of the 6. Yes, here is the answer 60. Okay, let us take one 2-digit number. Multiply 13 by 10. How can we multiply 13 by 10? Yes, very simple. We need to multiply 13 by 1. Then put a 0 to the right of the product. Here is the answer 130. Okay, let us try one more example. Multiply 27 by 10. First we need to multiply 2 by 1. Then we need to multiply by 10. We need to put a 0 to the right of this number. Here is the answer 270. Okay, let us take one 3-digit number. Multiply 431 by 10. Here also just avoid the 0 of the 10. Now we get 1. Multiply 431 by 1. Then very easy to simply put a 0 to the right of the number. 4310. Okay, let us take next number 652 by 10. First we multiply 652 by 1. Then we need to put a 0 to the right of the number. Here is the answer 6520. Okay, let us try to do multiplying by tens. First one, 6 into 20. Look children, here this 20 means 2 10. So 6 into 20 can be written as 6 into 2 tens. Children, 6 twos are 12. Now we get 12 tens. Children, we know that 12 tens means 12 into 10, which is equal to 120. Here is the answer 120. Okay, let us try one more example. 7 into 50. It can be written as 7 into 5 tens. Children, 7 5s are 35. We get here 35 tens. We know that 35 tens equal to 35 into 10, which is equal to 350. Okay, let us take 2-digit numbers. Multiply 21 by 40. First, let us multiply 21 into 4 at the right margin. Look here, 1 4 is 4. Then 2 4s are 8. Now we get 84. Then what we need to do? Yes, we need to put a 0 to the right of the product. We get the answer 840. Look children, now let us multiply 13 by 50. Children, let us multiply 13 by 5 at the right margin. 3 5s are 15. We write 5 here and this one is carry over. It goes to tens place. Then 1 5 is 5. 5 plus this carry over 1 equal to 6. Now we get 65. Then what we want to do? Yes, then we put a 0 to the right of the product. Now we get the answer 650. Okay, let us take one 3-digit number. Multiply 412 by 20. First we need to multiply 412 by 2. Let us multiply these numbers at the right margin. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Now we get 824. Then we need to put a 0 to the right of this product. Here is the answer 8240. Now,
Okay, we have learned
multiplying 3-digit numbers with regrouping and multiplying by tens. Children, you have to practice more problems. Today, you have to study multiplication table of 8. Children, you need to study multiplication tables every day in order to learn them well. Okay, we will meet again. Thank you.